All right, welcome back. This is Chapter 10, Lesson 2, so 10.2, and we are looking at the P173 page in the practice book. All right, it says classify each triangle, write acute, right, or obtuse. So triangles can be classified by their sides or their angles. So in this case, in this lesson, we're classifying them by their angles. So if a triangle has one obtuse angle, it is an obtuse triangle. If it has at least one right angle, it is a right triangle. And if it has all acute angles, it is an acute triangle. So let's take a look. Number 2, remember from our last lesson, that little box means we have a right angle. So this is a right triangle. Okay, let's see, this angle looks to be acute, this angle looks to be acute, and this angle looks to be acute. So we have no obtuse angles and we have no right angles. They're all acute, so this is an acute triangle. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, here we have an acute angle. I can see that angle is very small. This is an acute angle. Now this angle though is very large. It's bigger than 90 degrees, I can tell, and we don't have our little square to tell us it's a right angle, so this must be an obtuse triangle. All right, number 5, use figure A, B, C, D below. Draw a line segment from point B to point D. So here's point B, here's point D. So I'm going to use my post-it note again as my straight edge. You can use a ruler or a book, anything that's going to give you a straight edge. And again, my post-it's not perfect, but there's my line. And then it says name and classify the triangle's form. So I have a triangle here, A, B, D, this triangle, and I can see that it has an obtuse angle here. So I have triangle, and to name it, triangle, we use a little triangle. And then again, A, since it's the vertex is at A where the two lines, where that obtuse angle is, that will be my middle letter, but D, A, B. And then over here on this side, B, C, D, this triangle here. Again, this angle is also obtuse, so I also have triangle. To name it, I put the little triangle, B, C, D. All right, number 6, draw a line segment from point A to point C. So very similar to what I did on the last one, but this time we're going from point A over here to C down here. So again, use a ruler, a binder, anything for a straight edge that you got around the house is fine. Just try to get the straightest line you can. Name and classify the triangles formed. So I have A, B, C right here, and I see this is an acute angle. This is an acute angle, and this is an acute angle. So I have triangle ABC, and I forgot to name these ones over here, didn't I? Triangle BAD and triangle BCD are obtuse. And triangle ABC is acute. And down here, ADC, this triangle here, I have an acute angle, another acute angle, and an acute angle here. So this triangle ADC, is also an acute triangle. All right, thanks again for watching, and I will see you on the next video.